today in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up company email in Outlook. So that in home screen we can find a mail apps. We can click here, then we can click other. In other section we can find here name, email, password and description. Name, my name here. Then email. Then password. Then next. Here you can see IMAP and POP. IMAP synchronize with other device and POP not synchronize. At a time, all email is stored on your device, on single device. So I can select IMAP. For that, I use this email at a time on my laptop. So hostname, here is full mail server address. Then username. Then outgoing hostname. Then username. Then password. Then next. This email is now set up. Now continue. Now continue. Icon edit. My all mail is now on my iPhone. This inbox. You can send mail from here. Here is a recipient address.